Hey everybody, this is Jim Jobin. I am the president of NAMI Southern Nevada, and I am so excited to get this chance to just have a little bit of FaceTime with you today. We used to do newsletters where we'd put it all in like a PDF and send that out to everybody via email. But NAMI is all about relationships. NAMI is about one person connecting with another. And so we realized that what we wanted to do was start giving updates in this more informal FaceTime kind of way. So I'm here today to update you on a whole bunch of neat stuff and tell you a little bit about where we're heading and where we've come from. So the first thing to tell you is, as many of you may have already known, in 2015, NAMI Southern Nevada kind of went dormant. It didn't really exist for much of that time. But toward the end of that year, NAMI Nevada did an interview process to identify new board members. And in January of this year, 2016, the NAMI Southern Nevada board was officially convened. And we have got just an incredible team of people that have bring so much wisdom and knowledge, folks that are living with mental illness, folks that are the family members of those living with mental illness, clinicians, people that are leaders in the behavioral health industry, just terrific. An incredible team of people that are all joining together to really change the conversation about mental health here in Southern Nevada. And so our board is so excited to serve you, so excited to engage this topic, and we have been on fire since January. We have had so much going on. You may have noticed that our website, NAMISouthernNevada.org, is up and running and current, and that thing is really cool. You should check it out. It is really, really neat. It's got this cool ocean overlay at the top, and you've just got to check it out. There's a video on there that explains all about NAMI by a little cartoon that we developed. There's updates on there showing our Twitter stuff. You can find out all about the groups that we're running. We still have the peer support group, and we also have the family support group, and those two things meet at the exact same time. Right now, they're meeting on 6161 West Charleston, which is the Southern Nevada Adult Mental Health building. But we're probably going to have to move because, and this is awesome, the group has gotten too big. The two groups are so big now that we ran out of space. And so we have a partner, Foundation for Recovery, which is on Charleston and Alpine, and they're kind of the NAMI of substance abuse. They have adopted us. They've given us office space in their beautiful building, and we're going to talk about moving over our meetings too. So pretty soon, follow our website. You'll find out if we've actually had to relocate the meetings because things are going so well. The NAMI Basics class is still in full swing that teaches folks about mental health, and we're working on launching a veterans group. We're working on launching NAMI on campus groups. It has just been so awesome. 2016 has been electric. One of the neatest things, speaking about NAMI on campus, we've been developing partnerships with all sorts of folks in the community. As NAMI Southern Nevada has just been about the message of teaching people about mental health and engaging them in the conversation, there has been so much goodwill. And so one thing we got to do was we got to go to the first annual psychology fair put on for college students by UNLV, CSN, and Nevada State College. It was put on by the Psychi programs, their Psychology Honor Society. And NAMI was invited, and we got to visit with all the students, and we got sign-ups, and the students are going to set up NAMI on-campus support groups at each one of the school campuses, and that's going to be tremendous. And so we are just so excited to have these partners. It has been so magnificent. Dr. Donahue at UNLV, Dr. Yao at NSC, we have just got some great folks, and it's so exciting to see all this stuff developing. Another thing that NAMI Southern Nevada has been doing is just waging a public information campaign, getting in the community, meeting the movers and shakers, and letting them know, hey, NAMI's here, and we want to support this conversation, and we want to be a part of this. And so we've been all over the place. We got to meet with Dr. Robert Turner over at Seven Hills Behavioral Hospital. We got to meet with Dr. Abi Karam at Human Behavior Institute. Both gave us a magnificent tours of their beautiful facilities to see all the incredible programs they're running so that they can help mental health care in Southern Nevada. We got to go to Valley Hospital and meet with our wonderful friend Kelly Mann and see the entire behavioral health unit there and see what they're up to and the incredible work that all these folks are doing to stabilize our community and to bring the resources that we need. It has just been wonderful. Las Vegas Recovery Center has just given us so much of their time and energy and letting us explore their property and understand how substance abuse is a big part of this. How many people have co-occurring stuff where they have both an addiction and a mental health piece as they seek to kind of self-medicate some of the stuff they're going through. And Las Vegas Recovery Center has been a wonderful partner in that as well. We have just had so much goodwill thrown to us. Venture Youth Services, we met with their clinical director, Nick Tangeman, who showed us what they're doing to try to work for adolescents by providing a partial hospitalization program and outpatient stuff. It has just been so wonderful. Our friends doing outpatient over at Kayenta, therapy centers out in Summerlin, sharing their passion with us, sharing their commitment with us. It has been electric. We have been all over the city and just meeting some amazing folks that are movers and shakers and getting things done. NAMI Southern Nevada is alive and well, and we are just blowing the doors off this conversation. We are getting things moving again, and we are so excited. One thing we got to do, this is kind of neat, we got to go to the Gala for Recovery, which was put on by Foundation for Recovery. They're our good friends, and they were terrific, and it was so wonderful for them to host us. Another thing I get to announce is that Henderson City Council and Mayor Andy Hafen have actually passed a legal proclamation pointing out that May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and recognizing NAMI Southern Nevada and all the work that we do and the conversation that we're bringing about mental health awareness. Terrific partners over there in Henderson. We are so grateful, Mayor Hafen, and we're also having that same conversation now with our friends at the North Las Vegas City Council, where we met with Councilwoman Anita Wood, who walked us through City Hall and gave us a tour and explained her passion to get involved and to try to get this conversation just electric in North Las Vegas. NAMI was also invited to sit down with a special symposium to discuss mental health care and law enforcement. And so we got to meet with police officers and cadets and two captains here in Metro in Las Vegas. And we had a very passionate conversation about how law enforcement can approach mental health differently and what training needs to be done and what the conversation needs to be. Guys, it has been a terrific 5 months that NAMI Southern Nevada has been active again and just moving and shaking in this community and really bringing noise to this conversation. Our Twitter is live, our Facebook is live. We're over 100 followers on Facebook. We are just on top of it. We released a video, a report card on the state of mental health in Nevada, and that has been getting tons of views, and lots of news media are taking a look at it and familiarizing themselves with some of Nevada's needs. We are reaching out to all the legislators and the governor's office and all the folks that are running for election and letting them know, hey, we really invite you to have a policy and a stance on mental health care in Nevada, because there's some tremendous needs and we've just got to address them. So guys, NAMI is alive and well. The National Alliance on Mental Illness Southern Nevada is just getting out there. We are amplifying this message. We are engaging people. And if you're watching this video right now and you're not already a member of the Alliance, hey, get on down to NAMISouthernNevada.org and join the Alliance. Be a part of this mission with us as an advocate, as a member, as a clinician, as a provider, whatever your role in the world. Join us and help us broadcast this message, and let's get out there and let's help other people find help and find hope. Guys, I'm looking forward to the next FaceTime that we get to have together. Get out there and join the Alliance and raise the level of the conversation, amplify the volume, and let's get people talking about mental health in Nevada. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.